everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So first of all, Eid Mubarak to each one of you. So I have created this look. If you also want this look, so stay tuned till the end. And before that, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell. So whenever I upload a video, you will get a notification. So let's get started. So here I have used Color Bar Hydrating Glow Moisturizer. And next I'll be using the MAC Stroke Cream on top of it just to give that extra hydrating glow. तो आप इसको सिर्फ आपके हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पर लगाएंगे. नेक्स्ट मैं लूँगी एल्फ का पोरलेस पटी प्राइमर. दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. इट इज़ गुड फॉर योर पोर्स. नेक्स्ट मैं यूज करूंगी नायका का पीच करेक्टर. और यहाँ पे मैं इसको ब्लेंड करूंगी एल्फ के कैमो कंसीलर स्पॉन्ज से. दिस इज सो फ्लफी, सो सॉफ्ट. So for foundation, I'll be using NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and I'm in the shade Classic Tan. And for concealer, I'll be using Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. I love this concealer. And just to highlight my under eyes, I'll be using NYX HD Concealer and I'm in the shade 05 CW. And with the same beauty blender, you have to just blend it out. It has a very light formula. It's exactly like Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'll be using Elegant Pro Conceal and I'm in the shade Beautiful Bronze. So what you have to do is just apply a little bit on this side. A little bit on your nose. And for my nose, I'll be using PAC 288 brush. And for blush, I'll be using Flower Beauty blush and I'm in the shade Cinnamon. It's a cream blush, so you have to apply it after foundation or concealer. आपको कभी भी पाउडर के ऊपर क्रीम ब्लश नहीं लगाना चाहिए, नहीं तो फिर वो बहुत पैची और फिर केकी दिखेगा, फिर इट विल नॉट लुक गुड ऑन योर फेस. सो आपको ये इस तरह लगाना है ताकि आपके ब्रॉन्जर में आपका ब्लश मिक्स हो जाए. और अब हम जैसे कि पूरा क्रीम ब्लश या फाउंडेशन कंसीलर लगा चुके हैं, तो अब हम लोग को सेट करना है. तो हमें कोई भी क्रीम प्रोडक्ट नहीं लगाना है, हमें डायरेक्टली सेट करना है अपना मेकअप. तो कर रही हूँ Maybelline Fit Me लूज पाउडर एंड आई एम इन द शेड लाइट मीडियम. और मैं यहाँ पे एक फ्लैट फ्लफी ब्रश ले रही हूँ जस्ट टू सेट माई अंडर आई. और थोड़ा मैं जहाँ पे कंसीलर लगाई हूँ वहाँ पे सेट कर लूँगी लूज पाउडर से. अराउंड माई माउथ एरिया ज़्यादा क्रीज होता है मेरा मेकअप, तो मैं यहाँ पे सेट कर लूँगी पाउडर से. So now I'll quickly do my brows and come back. So now my brows are done, and I'll be setting my brows with the e.l.f. Wow Brow Gel Mascara. So now coming on to my eyeshadow, and I'll be using ColourPop All I See Is Magic Shadow Palette, and this is how the palette looks like. And here I'll be using this shade for my crease, and for that I'll be using Glassman Cosmetic brush, and this is the number BRA010. It's a fluffy dense brush. And next I'll be using Revolution Reloaded Division palette, and here I'll be using this shade. And with the same fluffy brush, I'll just blend these. I'll just mix both the colors and blend it out. Now from this Revolution Reloaded palette, this is the Vitality palette, and I'll be using this particular shade on my lids. And here I'll be using this flat brush. This is from Puna Store. And now I'm thinking to apply a little bit of glitter on my inner corners, and for that I'll be using this Swiss Beauty Rose Gold Metallic Eyeshadow, and let's just see how does it look. I'll be using this bronzer. This is from YC Collection. For bronzer I'll be using this PAC 211 brush. Take a little bit and just to apply. And just blend it. And just blend it with a beauty blender also. I'll be using this L'Oreal Le Bar blush, and I'm in the shade Be Fair. And I'll be using the same brush for my blush also. It's a very nice and beautiful color. And you have to blend it with your bronzer so it looks even. Just blend everything with your beauty blender. I'll be using a lash curler to apply a little bit of eyeliner on the outer side, and here I'll be using this e.l.f. eyeliner pen. Now I'll be using this e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara for my mascara to look nice. And just to coat it with, I'll be using this Flower Lash Volume Mascara, and I'm in the shade Fiercest Black. And next I'll be using this Wet n Wild color icon in the shade White for my waterline. Next I'll be using this eyelashes. Okay, so I have put on my lashes. This is off camera, and this looks really nice. And just to set my makeup, I'll be using MAC Fix Spray. Let it dry. So now coming on to my lips, I'll be using Miss Claire Glimmer Stick for lips, and I'm in the shade Maroon. And for my lips, I'll be using Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color, and I am in the shade Love Bite. And I'll be mixing it with the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I'm in the shade Praline. And yes, the last part is highlighter, and for that I'll be using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I'm in the shade Molten Rose Gold, and I'll be using this angled fluffy brush. This is how my makeup turns out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye. Love you.